Every day you're not using this AI update from Meta, you're losing sales. This update literally gives you more winning creatives for free. So what this means for you is you're gonna see an increase in sales. The reason you're going to see this is because now you're gonna be doing a lot more creative testing. One of the biggest problems that people have is they're not doing enough testing when it comes to advertising. These tools are now going to give you multiple different versions of your ads. You're going to have different media types as well, from image to video, and that's going to reduce your cost to advertise. Remember, at the end of the day, Meta is user first. So if you're creating more ads where you're getting more engagement from the users, you will be rewarded with more reach and a reduction in your advertising costs. So let's dive right in and see how it all works. Okay, so here we are in the Meta Ads Manager. Now, what I've done is I've gone to set up a sales campaign. Now, if you're familiar here, then what you'll see is that I've uploaded a product photo that I'm going to use in this example. So one thing I should also add is some of you might not have these AI updates in place yet. And I'm seeing that there's a couple of accounts that are still to be updated, but this is rolling out, so don't be concerned. A few of you will probably have the AI image generation, but not the video part, perhaps. But have no fear, as it's on its way. So what I'm going to do, I'll just skip the text just here. But as you can see already, it's given us different versions that we can use within our advert. So here's a good example. Here's a good one, and some chocolate as well. So it's kind of got the idea of what our product is around. Now, don't get me wrong, you're probably going to have some issues come up where it's not going to look perfect and it's going to look ugly. But again, this is just the beginning. And every time I'm using it, I'm seeing it's getting better and better examples as well. Another thing you can do if you're not happy as well is you can generate new images, and it'll just give you more, versions to choose from. So now let's move on to the video part of it. Now here you just select the video that you want to do and you select generate video. So let me just play that for you. Okay, so as you can see, it's not very dramatic. It's very subtle. It's just the milkshake just moving slightly, and they've added some text there. Now, what you want to do is you just select that, and then that will add that to your campaign. Now, some of you might be thinking, "Hey, I was expecting a really impressive AI video to come in and make it like crazy." Now, if you do want to do that, I recommend going to one of the other AI video makers. So an example of that would be Google Gemini Veo or OpenAI Sora. Now, the reason why I think Meta is going for a more subtle approach is because if they went in with, very dramatic types of videos, they would get it wrong in a number of cases. They want to make sure that their users, the advertisers, are, selecting the video. So they've gone for this approach, but I think over time they will start to add in more versions as their AI gets better and better. But the main thing you need to think about now is we've just uploaded one image. We've now got, another 3 or 4 different versions of that we've added to our campaign. We also now have a video, which is in 9:16 format. So that means that we're going to be well placed when it comes to Instagram Reels and Facebook Reels, which is also gaining some more traction in terms of usage. And then we've also got stories as well. So we've just went from, as I say, one image to a multimedia, and that's just overall going to reduce our advertising costs because our chances of one of them hitting and winning increases dramatically versus just having the one from before. So you're going to see an increase of sales because of these tools. I hope you found value from that video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tips on AI marketing, and I will see you soon.